Can Pomeranians be left alone with children? Pomeranians are small, fluffy dogs that have gained popularity for their adorable appearance and friendly temperament. Many families consider getting a Pomeranian as a pet, but one concern that often arises is whether or not Pomeranians can be left alone with children. In this article, we will explore this topic and provide insights into the potential risks and benefits of leaving a Pomeranian alone with children. Firstly, it is essential to understand that the behavior of both the dog and the child are key factors to consider when determining if it is safe to leave them alone together. Pomeranians are generally known to be friendly, sociable, and energetic dogs. They thrive on human companionship and are often very attached to their owners. These traits make them well suited to be family pets. However, it is important to note that Pomeranians, like any other dog breed, have their limitations and can exhibit unpredictable behavior. Children, especially young ones, may not always understand how to interact appropriately with a dog, and this can lead to potential problems. Pomeranians can become easily overwhelmed or stressed if mishandled, which might result in defensive reactions such as barking, nipping, or even biting. Additionally, young children may not fully comprehend the concept of personal space and boundaries when it comes to interacting with a dog. They may unintentionally provoke the Pomeranian by pulling its fur, tail, or ears, or by invading its personal space. This can cause a Pomeranian to feel threatened or scared, which can increase the risk of an aggressive response. Another point to consider is the child's behavior and maturity level. If a child is gentle, respectful, and understands how to interact with dogs appropriately, there may be a lower risk of any negative incidents occurring. However, young children, especially those under the age of 6, may lack the ability to recognize and respond appropriately to the warning signs of a dog becoming uncomfortable or agitated. Supervision is of utmost importance when it comes to ensuring the safety of both the dog and the child. Even if you believe that your Pomeranian and child get along well, accidents can still happen. No matter how well behaved the dog is, it is never entirely predictable, especially when in the presence of a child. Therefore, it is strongly recommended to always supervise their interactions and step in if necessary. To minimize potential risks, it is crucial to teach your child how to approach and interact with a Pomeranian properly. This includes instructing them to avoid rough play, not to disturb the dog while eating or sleeping, and to keep their face away from the dog's face. Teach them to use a calm, gentle voice and avoid sudden movements that could startle the dog. Furthermore, it is advisable to gradually introduce the Pomeranian to the child and vice versa. This allows both the dog and the child to become familiar with each other's presence and behavior, reducing the likelihood of any adverse reactions. Always reward positive interactions and behavior, both from the Pomeranian and the child, to reinforce the importance of gentle and respectful behavior. In conclusion, whether a Pomeranian can be left alone with children depends on various factors. Pomeranians are generally friendly and sociable dogs, but they can also exhibit unpredictable behavior. The behavior and maturity level of the child play a significant role in determining their compatibility. Proper supervision, teaching appropriate dog interaction, and gradually introducing the dog to the child are essential to minimize potential risks. With the right precautions and guidance, it is possible for Pomeranians and children to form a safe and loving bond.